1. Stethoscope. Used to listen to heart, lung, and bowel sounds. 2. Thermometer. Measures body temperature. 3. Sphygmomanometer. Measures blood pressure. 4. Otoscope. Examines the ears. 5. Ophthalmoscope. Examines the interior of the eyes. 6. Surgical scalpel. Used for precise cutting during surgeries. 7. Forceps. Grasps or holds objects during surgical procedures. 8. Syringe. Injects fluids into or withdraws fluids from the body. 9. Needle holder. Holds needles during suturing in surgeries. 10. Tongue depressor. Depresses the tongue to examine the throat and mouth. 11. Reflex hammer. Tests deep tendon reflexes. 12. Pulse oximeter. Measures blood oxygen saturation and pulse rate. 13. Defibrillator. Delivers electric shocks to restore normal heart rhythm. 14. Electrocardiogram, ECG, machine. Records electrical activity of the heart. 15. X-ray machine. Captures images of internal body structures using X-rays. 16. Ultrasound machine. Uses sound waves to produce images of internal organs. 17. MRI scanner. Creates detailed images of organs and tissues using magnetic fields. 18. CT scanner. Produces detailed cross-sectional images of body structures. 19. Endoscope. Visualize internal organs and tissues through a flexible tube. 20. Glucometer. Measures blood glucose levels. 21. Infusion pump. Delivers fluids, medications, or nutrients into a patient's bloodstream. 22. Laryngoscope. Examines the larynx and assists in intubation. 23. Nebulizer. Converts liquid medication into a mist for inhalation. 24. Suction machine. Removes fluids or secretions from the airway or surgical site. 25. Dialysis machine. Removes waste products and excess fluid from the blood in kidney failure patients. 26. Ventilator. Provides mechanical breathing support for patients. 27. Colonoscope. Examines the interior of the colon. 28. Proctoscope. Examines the anal cavity, rectum, or sigmoid colon. 29. Dermatoscope. Examines skin lesions or abnormalities. 30. Cautery machine. Burns tissues to stop bleeding or remove growths. 31. Autoclave. Sterilize surgical instruments using high-pressure steam. 32. Retractor. Holds back tissue or organs during surgery. 33. Speculum. Holds open a body cavity for examination, commonly used in gynecology. 34. Biopsy needle. Extracts tissue samples for diagnostic testing. 35. Hemostat. Clamps blood vessels or tissues to control bleeding during surgery.